What I like to use this mini washing machine for is sometimes I will have clothes that I don't want to mix with other clothes. For example, we have 4 young boys. Some of them have just finished potty training, and sometimes accidents happen and they have underwear that we don't want to wash with other clothing. So that's where this comes in handy. We can put everything in here and it works just like a normal washing machine. It's just a lot smaller. This basically has 3 modes, a 3-minute mode, 10-minute mode, and a 5-minute mode. And then if you want to use this drying rack, you can put it on the 3-minute mode and it will spin for 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and talk about this. When everything has been washed and you want to dry things, you can put this on. It kind of snaps into place. It's not very big, so you can probably only put 1 or 2 articles of clothing in here. Turn it on, it spins for 3 minutes. And honestly, I would suggest you don't really use this. You just wring out the clothes, because after 3 minutes, when I tried it with clothing, it did get a lot of the water out, but the clothes are still pretty wet after using this, and it'll still probably want to wring it out. To take this off was kind of difficult because it does snap into place. I used a screwdriver and kind of pushed against the plastic, so that's something to be aware of. It also comes with this tube, and honestly, I don't know how you're supposed to use it, because in order to use it, you'd have to take this plug out first, and as soon as you do that, water is going to come streaming out, and so you just kind of plug it in while water's coming out, and then you could move this over to your sink. So yeah, kind of weird, but check this out. If I spin it, it makes cool sounds. So kind of a bonus toy if you have kids, or if you're someone who likes to do this, I guess. Overall though, as a washing machine, it works really well. Obviously, you can't put a lot of clothes in, and you can't put in anything large. I tried some of my blue jeans and it just did not work. It's too big and heavy to spin around. But again, the way I use it is if there's something I don't want to put in the washing machine, like some of our dirty rags, I will put those in here. I turn it on. I just let it soak, sit for as long as I want to. Then I drain the water. I fill it full of clean or rinse water. Then I will turn it on again, and again let it sit for as long as I want to. Drain the water, wring everything out, put it in the dryer. Then I'm good to go. I wouldn't necessarily say it's super loud, but it is kind of whiny. It makes this whiny sound. I don't know how else to describe it, but this is super nice to have for those kind of one-off things where you just don't want to put it in the washing machine, or you just need to wash something really quick, not with a full load. This is perfect, and it's really not that expensive.